scared, bro.
I don't know if I'm a friend. Oh, I'm gonna just assume I am.
Just kidding.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Hopefully this will get a thumbnail. Forever in the rain.
Okay, let's go.
He's recording. I got
Wait, is it already recorded?
Yeah. Oh, wait, stop, wait.
Hold on.
Is it the other one?
Yes, that way. Throw it down.
Won't be burst.
Your meniscus is back.
What's up, guys? It's Vice,
And Mike.
and we're gonna be reacting to RM.
Forever Rain. What? Did I get it wrong?
It just took you a while. No, I couldn't think of it either. I was like,
Huh?
Let's start over.
I think we're good.
I just saw my titties. My meniscus is attacking my.
They like it.
Yeah.
Y'all like it, right? You like the meniscus?
Alright. Should we get started to this?
We got the tissue ready.
You already know what it's used for. My tears when they fall down, you know.
Who caught it? Put it back in. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Whew.
What was that, like mitosis? It's a raindrop, I think. Hopefully I got captions on.
I already want to cry already.
That was like sperm. Okay, so
It's called Sperms.
that's where our profile page is. I'm just kidding. It's just
I was expecting it to be animated.
right.
But you know what? I like it.
Oh my god. Oh shit. That's the perspective it's hitting.
Oh, it's like I'm looking up at the
Yeah.
rain. It's just. Oh, no, it's not. Is that like the sun or the moon?
Oh, it looks like a black hole.
Whoa. Damn, Namjoon. Damn, get it. What's wrong with you? I like that.
I don't know. I don't know how to feel right now. Like,
It's like I have a new perspective on rain now. So like whenever it rains,
like, I like the animations once we have the cool, like all the transitions and everything.
it was really different. I like that part about it.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Arm's like playing words. It's like on a whole new level. But I did see like something on IG about like, cause you know how there's like those six images in the puddle. Those were the other members or something like that. But I don't remember what that had to do with the music video again.
He said "Rain on me," right? Rain on me.
Yeah.
Is that what RM stands for? Rain on me, but it's no O, right? Cause you don't need to use the O.
Yeah, you don't need a thingy for the O.
Shut up.
So RN stands for rain me.
Rain me.
Rain on me.
I actually really liked it though. It was a good song.
It too. It was nice and chill. It's like a good song to just cry.
He even mentioned how his like rap was fast, or it usually is fast, but now he like switched it up almost like that.
Girl, he was like, it's like Bieber.
He was like, slow jam, slow rapper. Need to just, you know.
Can't wait to listen to the rest of that one.
Honestly, bro, no.
No. How'd you do it?
I was like, no.
Okay, yeah, we kind of did it the same way.
Okay,
Yeah.
Well,
What does mono stand for? You know, I can't get into these theories.
R,
Not right now.
maybe that's what the M stands for. We don't know the R is, but we know the M is mono. Real mono.
Is rain mono? No, that makes sense. That don't make sense either.
That was our reaction to RM.
Forever rain.
Please like, comment, subscribe.
But you don't have to if you don't want to. We can still be Chingus. Just hit us up in the comments.
Yeesh. Oh, wait, it's raining. Okay, sure. I'll cover you guys.
Time to sleep.
Oh, got him. I had to hit him one time.
For a guy that doesn't like, what you call it.
Oh, shit. Okay, stop. Don't do that. Alright, peace.
Peace.
My girl is RM. I was kidding.